Anong meron dito?
Walang tupad?
Walang tupad, kaya madumi rito.
Wala daw Taiwan!
Your country cannot be built by publication. Your country only can be built by nation building. We need to enter into the nation building. Your country cannot be built by receiving award from United States. No. Your country needs to be built by the real work of every day in the bottom line.
The training is one of the best, if not the best, learning experience we have, but it gets better every day. So what we learn today, we have a lot to think about and on how to incorporate into our barangay.
All the delegates have learned your approach in solving problems, your preventive approach, like for the flood, during dry season, you always prepare. When it comes to wet season, you always have this preventive approach, and I hope that the delegates can apply it to their areas also.
So we are very inspired by the policy, by the interventions, with management, especially for the environment.
Or we have to figure out what we want to happen in our place so that we'll be able to improve our services.
People now we have this system. Okay, this is public park. This is the public space. But number one, we need to create meaningful public space. Corner space, corridor, park, whatever you name it. That means people can meet together. You don't have to own it, but you have to. You can use it. 20 years ago, when this park is still my dear friends, before
And the job of our IT center is to integrate diverse information from other departments or area.
So, the civil servant and the customer, we are equal.
So even you are hearing or language impaired person, you can use your sign language to campaign the government.
We come back here. It's my third time to visit this center. But as it goes by, year by year, that I've been visiting this one from year 23, right? 23, 24, and now 25. You keep on developing your system, you keep on improving your framework, and at the same time, all your, what do you call this, the traffic management, you never stop on innovating your system.